Welcome, in front of me I have Hisense LED TV, and today I'll show you how you can turn on or turn off auto channel update. And first you have to grab your remote control and tap on the menu button. When you are here, you have to navigate with the arrows. You have to go down by tapping here, and you have to simply scroll down to auto channel update, click OK on your remote control. And when you click it, as you can see, it switched from off to on. So we have to decide what you want to get. I'm going to turn it on, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.